be with you even when you don't want him to be. Sometimes we'll get in this funk where we like, forget everybody, I don't want to fool with nothing, I don't want to fool with nobody, God don't want me, people don't want me. But I pray that God will send you people that love you just as much as you love them, right? And so in God's word, it declares that he'll never leave you or forsake you. Forsake you means abandon. Forsake you means leave you. God will never leave you. How do I know this? It declares in his word, God is not a man. Meaning, God is not a man. He is not human. He is not one of us. He is not on our level. He will not do the same things that we are capable of doing. So with that being said, God is not going to leave you. God is going to always be there for you. I pray right now today that God will send you people in your circle that will give you if not the same, but more energy, more love, and you won't be drained in this next season of your life.